Hey, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. I have another cool product here that I want to bring to you for review. These are the XShears. I think you're really going to like them. In fact, I've been carrying these for a while, and we're already a distributor for them through Medical Gear Outfitters. We'll take a little bit closer look at them here in just a minute, but these are stainless steel. These, in fact, have a titanium coating on them, the black here, that's going to help them stay sharper for a while, and they're 7.5 inches long. These are some beefy scissors, so these are not your average pair of scissors that's coming into your trauma kits. These are professional grade, high quality. We'll do a quick comparison here. These are the scissors that come in my kits, and these are the scissors that you're going to find on just about every single ambulance in America. And most EMTs, paramedics, nurses carry these types of scissors right here. These are the XShears, and you can see the difference in the blade width there. On the XShears, we have a nice large bolt here to hold together. And on the cheaper ones, we have a press pin. As we come down to the handles here, this is just your average plastic, which is good enough, but these have a nice rubberized texture. So when your hands do get bloody, sweaty, whatever you want to throw at them, you're still going to have a nice grip here. So I compared these to a $5 pair of scissors, and honestly, there's no comparison between the $5 and these XShears. What I would compare these XShears to, though, is the Leatherman Raptor shears. I've been carrying these shears now for, years. They have cut off tons of clothes. I've cut off 2 rings, nice diamond rings with these, so they work well. These are a good pair of scissors. This is also more of a multi-tool, okay? These are nice and expensive, and these are retailing about half price right now of what the Leatherman Raptors are. But there again, not downing the Leatherman Raptors. Don't be hating on me, okay? These are a good pair of scissors. They're a good multi-tool for first responders, but I think these are still pretty expensive. Where I do think that the Leatherman Raptors have an advantage is the holster. Nice holster. Fits in the molly, fits in my duty belt, wherever I want to, it fits in there. XShears do not currently have a holster or a sheath or anything like that, and the ones I've seen, honestly, I've been happy with. So a lot of the Kydex are just really big and bulky, and I don't like that. So, but that's the only downfall with these I've found, is there's no holster for these. I've just been tucking my pair of XShears down in my tactical vest. So I'll be honest with you, I'll tell you how I've been carrying these. They're attached to my tactical vest. I have them attached via North American Rescue scissor release here, so that way if I drop them or something happens, they're still attached. And you still have plenty of room to reach out and to use them, and then you don't lose a nice pair of scissors. You guys get really torqued when I start cutting things up, but hey, it's fun. I think it makes for a good video. So we have a trauma pad here. This is no ballistics, just a trauma pad here. So we'll take the XShears, cuts through really smooth. And now you get to see what's inside Spartan Armor trauma pad. So we've got some wire fencing we're going to cut through. Super easy. Alright, let's see if we can do some pruning with this tree. Nice and easy. So the XShears are a little bit longer than 7.5 inches and weigh in at 4 ounces. So you have a couple different options here when you go to purchase the XShears. You have handle colors, so black, pink, red, orange, blue, or green. So you make sure you're color coordinated. The ones on the bottom here have the titanium coating on the blades, which is going to make them last longer, stay sharper longer. The ones up here are showing the stainless steel. So I hope this video helps you never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training. To be honest with you, I'll show you how I've been carrying the XShears. Not dangling like that. The XShears